Welcome to today's video. Today we will be diving into a common problem that many developers face when working on web applications on Windows. The problem at hand involves temporary files created by multiple wars that are not being deleted, causing a headache during program testing. The issue arises when attempting to delete the file, only to be met with a message stating that the file is open in java.exe. With two or more wars running on Tomcat, it becomes a challenge to pinpoint which application is causing the problem, especially with complex applications that make it difficult to trace the file operations. Now, let's talk about the solution to this troublesome issue. The first suggestion involves setting a conditional breakpoint on key JDK classes that handle temporary files, allowing for a closer look during a debugging session. If that approach proves to be too difficult, the next step involves editing the web server launcher script, although this method is intrusive and comes with its risks. This leads us to the third solution, which is to instrument the call sites responsible for creating temporary files using a Java agent. By intercepting method calls and printing relevant information, such as the file name and stack trace, you can identify which instance of a class has the file descriptor. Moving forward with the implementation of a solution, let's focus on the key components involved. The first piece we need to address is the configuration within the manifest file. This includes specifying the main class, agent class, pre-main class, class path, and other necessary attributes to ensure proper redefinition and retransformation of classes. Continuing with the solution, we need to delve into the Java agent implementation. This involves creating the agent class, which will handle the transformation of classes and the insertion of necessary code to track file creation activities. By leveraging tools like JavaSystem, we can effectively monitor and log the creation of temporary files, providing valuable insights into which class instances are interacting with the problematic file. To execute the Java agent and unleash its monitoring capabilities, you simply need to launch the agent with the specified jar file and observe the output generated by the agent. By following this process, you can track the creation of temporary files and pinpoint the culprit behind the lingering file that refuses to be deleted. In summary, tackling the problem of identifying which instance of a class has a file descriptor can be achieved through thoughtful instrumentation and monitoring of file creation activities. By implementing a Java agent and leveraging the power of JavaSystem, developers can gain valuable insights into the inner workings of their applications and resolve pesky file management issues. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.